What if the real secret to helping your liver was not only what you eat during the day, but what you choose to eat in the final hours before sleep? Most people go to bed without thinking about their liver at all. They think about feeling full, relaxing, watching something, having a snack, or satisfying a sweet craving. But while you are sleeping, your liver is not resting. It is working quietly through the night, filtering your blood, processing fats, managing sugar, breaking down waste, supporting digestion, and repairing the damage caused by stress, medications, poor food choices, alcohol, inflammation, and years of daily overload. And this becomes even more important after the age of 60. A struggling liver does not always hurt. A fatty liver does not always send a warning. Many people feel completely normal while fat is slowly building inside this vital organ. They may only discover the problem later during a routine blood test or an ultrasound. That is why the last thing you eat at night matters so much. It can either give your liver a lighter, cleaner night shift, or it can force it to spend the night processing more sugar and storing more fat. Tonight I want to show you several fruits that can support your liver before bed. These are not miracle cures, and they do not replace medical care, but they can become powerful daily choices when used correctly. They can help calm inflammation, provide antioxidants, support digestion, feed your gut, and help your body handle fat in a better way. Some of these fruits are very common, some are often forgotten, and one of them is extremely beneficial for many people, but it also comes with a serious warning if you take certain medications. Before we go deeper, it is important to understand what your liver is doing at night. Your liver is not simply a filter, it is one of the hardest working organs in the body. During the day, every meal, every snack, every sugary drink, every fried food, and every medication gives it another task. It has to decide what to store, what to burn, what to break down, and what to send back into circulation. But when the day ends and you stop eating, your body enters a natural fasting window. This is when the liver finally has a chance to shift from processing incoming food to repairing, clearing, balancing, and using stored energy. The problem is that many people interrupt this process without realizing it. They eat cookies, cereal, crackers, ice cream, white bread, sweet yogurt, or drink fruit juice right before bed. These foods may feel harmless, but they send a heavy load of sugar and refined carbohydrates toward the liver at the exact moment it should be cleaning house. Instead of helping the body burn stored energy overnight, the liver is forced to manage another wave of sugar and calories. When this happens again and again over months and years, fat can begin to collect inside the liver cells. This is why fatty liver is often called silent. It can build slowly without obvious pain. Some people feel tired, heavy, bloated, or sluggish, but they do not connect those signs with the liver. They think it is just aging, poor sleep, or a normal part of life. But the liver can be under stress long before serious symptoms appear. The good news is that the liver is also very resilient. When you stop overloading it and start giving it the right support, it can often respond in a positive way. So the question is not only what should you stop eating at night? The better question is what can you choose instead? The answer is not a large bowl of fruit and not a glass of juice. The answer is small portions of the right whole fruits, eaten at the right time with their natural fiber intact and without added sugar. These fruits can help because they contain antioxidants, soluble fiber, water, minerals, and plant compounds that support metabolism and digestion. Some may also help you sleep better, which matters because deep, steady sleep gives the body more time to repair. One of the best fruits to begin with is kiwi. Kiwi may be small, but it is one of the most useful evening fruits. It contains vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants, and natural compounds that may support relaxation and sleep quality. This matters because poor sleep can make it harder for the body to regulate blood sugar, appetite, inflammation, and fat metabolism. When sleep is weak, the liver does not get the same chance to do its repair work properly. Kiwi is also light and refreshing, which makes it a good option before bed. It gives you a sweet taste without being too heavy. 1 or 2 kiwis about an hour before sleep can be a smart replacement for late-night sweets. If you can tolerate the skin, wash it well and eat it whole because the skin contains extra fiber and nutrients. If not, peeling it is still fine. The most important thing is to eat the fruit whole instead of turning it into a sugary dessert or juice. Another excellent fruit for the liver is blueberries. Their deep color is one of the reasons they are so valuable. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, natural pigments that act as powerful antioxidants. When too much fat builds inside the liver, oxidative stress can increase. Think of oxidative stress like internal rust inside the body. Antioxidants help fight that stress and protect cells from damage. Blueberries are especially useful because they are naturally sweet, but they do not need to be eaten in large amounts. Half a cup in the evening is enough. You can eat them alone, mix them with plain, unsweetened yogurt, or combine them with kiwi. Zen blueberries are also a great choice because they are convenient, affordable, and often frozen when ripe. What you should avoid is turning blueberries into a sugary dessert with syrup, sweet cream, sweet cereal, or added sugar. Keep them simple and let their natural compounds do the work. The third fruit is avocado. Many people forget that avocado is actually a fruit, but it deserves a special place in an evening routine. Unlike most fruits, avocado is not sweet. It is creamy, filling, and rich in healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats are much better for the body than the fats found in fried foods and processed snacks. Avocado also provides fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. This makes avocado useful for people who often feel hungry at night. Sometimes late snacking happens not because the body truly needs food, but because the evening habit is strong. A small amount of avocado can help you feel satisfied and reduce the desire to search for cookies, bread, chips, or sweets. You do not need a whole avocado before bed. A quarter or half is enough. You can mash it with lemon and a small pinch of salt, eat it with cucumber slices, or spread it on a small piece of whole grain toast earlier in the evening. Because it is filling, it is better not to eat a large portion right before lying down. Red grapes can also be helpful, but only when the portion is controlled. Red and purple grapes contain resveratrol, a plant compound found mainly in the skin. This compound has been studied for its possible benefits related to aging, inflammation, metabolism, and liver health. The darker the grape skin, the more valuable it tends to be for this purpose. That is why red or purple grapes are better than green grapes if your goal is liver support. However, grapes are easy to overeat. A large bowl at night can deliver too much sugar, especially for someone who has diabetes, insulin resistance, belly fat, or fatty liver concerns. The right amount is small. 10 to 15 grapes is enough. Eat them slowly and keep the skin on. Avoid grape juice because it removes the chewing and makes it too easy to consume a large amount of sugar quickly. One useful trick is to freeze the grapes. Frozen grapes feel like a cold dessert and take longer to eat, which can help replace ice cream or candy at night. The next fruit is the apple, one of the simplest and most available choices. Apples support the liver mainly through the gut. This is important because the gut and liver are directly connected. What happens in your digestive system affects what reaches your liver. A gut that is irritated or overloaded can send more inflammatory signals toward the liver. A gut that receives enough fiber from whole plant foods can send better signals. Apples contain PECT in a soluble fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria produce compounds that may help regulate inflammation and metabolism. Apples also contain antioxidants, especially in the skin. That is why it is better to eat the apple whole instead of peeling it. A medium apple in the evening can be an excellent replacement for crackers, cookies, or bread. If you want it to feel more like a treat, slice it slowly and add cinnamon. Cinnamon gives a dessert-like flavor without adding sugar. The goal is not to eat several apples before sleep. The goal is one controlled portion that satisfies you and supports digestion. Pomegranate is another powerful fruit that many people ignore because it seems difficult to prepare. But the small red seeds are rich in plant antioxidants that can help fight oxidative stress. This matters because a fatty or overloaded liver is often under oxidative pressure. Pomegranate has a sweet and tart flavor, which makes it feel like a treat while still providing fiber when eaten whole. The key is to choose the seeds, not sweetened pomegranate drinks. Many bottled drinks contain added sugar or are mixed with other juices. That is not the same as eating the whole fruit. A quarter cup to half a cup of pomegranate seeds in the evening is enough. You can add them to plain yogurt, mix them with blueberries, or eat them alone with a spoon. Once you learn how to open the fruit and remove the seeds, it becomes much easier. For a colorful, antioxidant-rich evening snack, pomegranate is an excellent option. Papaya is another fruit worth considering, especially if you feel heavy or uncomfortable after dinner. Papaya contains papain, a natural enzyme that helps break down protein. It also provides vitamin C, beta-carotene, fiber, and water. When digestion is slow at night, you may feel bloated, full, or restless. A gentle fruit like papaya can be a better choice than a heavy dessert. Fresh papaya is the best option. 1 cup of papaya cubes with a little lime can be refreshing and satisfying. The lime improves the flavor and helps you avoid adding sugar. Avoid dried papaya because it often contains added sugar and becomes more like candy than fruit. You want the fresh fruit eaten in a reasonable portion. Now we come to grapefruit. Grapefruit can be one of the most interesting fruits for liver support, but it must be used carefully. It contains plant compounds such as naringin and other flavonoids that may support antioxidant activity and fat metabolism. It is refreshing, relatively low in sugar, and useful for many people who want to improve their metabolic health. But grapefruit has a serious issue. It can interact with certain medications. Grapefruit can block an enzyme in the gut that helps break down many drugs. When that enzyme is blocked, some medications can rise to higher levels in the blood than intended. This can be dangerous depending on the medication. This warning matters especially for people over 60 because many take prescriptions for cholesterol, blood pressure, heart rhythm, anxiety, sleep, pain, or other conditions. So the rule is simple. If you take prescription medication, do not start eating grapefruit regularly until you ask your doctor or pharmacist if it is safe with your personal medication list. For some people, grapefruit is fine. For others, it is not. If you are cleared to eat it, half a grapefruit in the evening can be a strong choice. Eat it whole or in segments, not as sweetened juice. You can add cinnamon if you want to reduce the bitter taste without using sugar. Now, it is important to say this clearly. These fruits are supportive foods. They are not emergency treatments. If you have yellow skin or yellow eyes, dark urine, pale stools, swelling in the belly or legs, severe abdominal pain, unexplained weight loss, confusion, vomiting blood, or an existing liver disease diagnosis, you need medical attention. Do not try to treat serious symptoms with fruit. And if you have diabetes, kidney disease, digestive problems, or if you take several medications, it is better to personalize your diet with professional advice. The way you eat these fruits matters just as much as the fruits themselves. The biggest mistake is eating too much too late. You do not need a mountain of fruit before bed. You need a small portion that replaces a worse habit. If your usual evening snack is cookies, chips, crackers, cereal, ice cream, sweet tea, or fruit juice, replacing it with kiwi, blueberries, apple, avocado, pomegranate, papaya, or a small portion of grapes is already a meaningful improvement. Try to eat your evening fruit 1 to 2 hours before sleep. This gives your body time to digest and reduces the chance of reflux or discomfort. If your stomach is sensitive, choose something light like kiwi, blueberries, or papaya. If you wake up hungry or tend to snack late, choose something more filling like avocado or apple with cinnamon. Another important point is that whole fruit is not the same as fruit juice. Juice removes much of the fiber and makes it very easy to consume too much sugar. A pea-ool juice, grape juice, or injera juice and sweetened pomegranate drinks are not the same as eating whole fruit. At night, juice can send sugar quickly toward the liver. Whole fruit is slower, more balanced, and more satisfying because it includes fiber. Think of it this way. One person eats a bowl of sweet cereal before bed. Another person eats 1 kiwi with a small handful of blueberries and plain yogurt. Both people had a snack, but the message sent to the liver is completely different. The cereal gives a quick sugar load. The kiwi and blueberries provide fiber, water, vitamin C, and antioxidants. One choice adds more work, the other gives support. The same thing happens with crackers or bread. If you want something comforting, apple slices with cinnamon or a small portion of avocado on whole grain toast is a better choice. It still feels satisfying, but it brings fiber and healthy fats instead of refined starch alone. Over one night, the difference may feel small. Over weeks and months, these choices can shape your body's pattern. The main idea is simple. Give your liver its night shift back. Stop giving it sugar and refined snacks right before bed. Stop forcing it to handle heavy foods when it should be repairing and clearing. Create a calmer evening routine. Finish dinner earlier when possible. Take a short walk after eating. Drink water or unsweetened herbal tea. Then, if you truly want something before bed, choose one small portion of a liver-friendly fruit. A simple bedtime smoothie can also help. Add 1 kiwi to a blender, add a small handful of blueberries, add a quarter of an avocado for creaminess and healthy fat, add half a cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt or kefir if you tolerate dairy. Add a splash of water and a little cinnamon. Blend everything until smooth. This gives you fiber, antioxidants, healthy fat, probiotics, and a creamy texture without added sugar. Drink it about an hour before bed, not after a heavy meal, and not in the middle of the night. If you do not like smoothies, make a simple bowl. Slice kiwi, add blueberries, add plain yogurt, and sprinkle cinnamon. If you want something more refreshing, choose papaya with lime. If you want something crunchy, choose apple slices. If you want something cold and sweet, choose a small portion of frozen red grapes. If you want something colorful, choose pomegranate seeds. If grapefruit is safe for you, use it occasionally and keep it separate from the smoothie. Do not try to eat all these fruits in one evening. That is not the goal. Choose one option and rotate through the week. One night can be kiwi and blueberries, another night can be apple with cinnamon, another can be avocado earlier in the evening, another can be papaya with lime, another can be pomegranate with yogurt, another can be frozen grapes. Grapey fruit can be included only if it is safe with your medications. Rotation gives your body variety without overwhelming it. Fruit will help much more if the rest of your evening routine supports your liver too. A 10-minute walk after dinner can make a real difference because your muscles help use sugar from the blood before it reaches the liver in large amounts. Avoid drinking calories at night. Sweet tea, soda, alcohol, fruit juice, flavored coffee, and sweetened milk drinks can undo the benefit of a healthy snack. Protect your sleep by dimming the lights, reducing screens, and keeping a regular bedtime when possible. If you are over 60 and worried about fatty liver, elevated liver enzymes, belly fat, fatigue, or blood sugar, do not panic, but do not ignore the signs either. The goal is not to become perfect overnight. The goal is to stop repeating the same evening habits that overload your liver. One better snack, one shorter eating window, one walk after dinner, one less sugary drink, and one better night of sleep can start changing the pattern. And if you think it is too late to care for your liver, remember this: your body still responds to better habits. You are not too old to reduce sugar at night. You are not too old to walk after dinner. You are not too old to choose kiwi instead of cookies or frozen grapes instead of ice cream. Age does not make healthy choices useless. It makes them more important. So tonight, do something simple. Look in your kitchen and choose the best fruit option you already have. If you have kiwi, eat one. If you have blueberries, take a small handful. If you have an apple, slice it and add cinnamon. If you have avocado, use a small portion earlier in the evening. If you have papaya, add lime. If you have pomegranate, take a small bowl of seeds. If you have grapes, choose a small portion and eat slowly. If you have grapefruit and take medication, ask a pharmacist before making it part of your routine. Then pay attention the next morning. Notice whether you feel lighter. Notice whether your sleep feels better. Notice whether you avoided the late-night snack that usually pulls you back to the kitchen. That awareness is important because real change begins when you connect your evening choices with how your body feels the next day. Your liver is not asking for complicated solutions. It is asking for less overload and better support. It needs fewer sugar rushes at night. It needs more fiber, more color, more whole foods, better sleep, and a little movement after dinner. The fruits in this video are simple tools. Kiwi supports sleep and provides vitamin C. Blueberries bring deep-colored antioxidants. Avocado offers healthy fat and fiber. Red grapes provide resveratrol in small portions. Apples feed the gut with soluble fiber. Pomegranate brings powerful plant compounds. Papaya supports digestion. Grapefruit may help many people, but only when it is safe with their medications. Tonight, send your liver a better message. Not another burden, not another processed snack, not another flood of sugar before bed. Give it fiber, give it color, give it whole fruit, give it a calmer night, because while you sleep, your liver is still working for you. The real question is whether your last bite of the day is helping it do that work or making the job harder. Choose wisely tonight, and your body may thank you tomorrow morning.